So this area is driving me nuts. Oh, I can do that. It's the first place I see when I walk into my house. And it's just awful. The whole kitchen and laundry is only 5 years old, and there's no excuse for it to be this way. It's really gotten out of control. It still has its cuteness, and let me give you a better look at what I'm dealing with. So this is my laundry area. That's an open area out of my kitchen. And yeah, I have the stackable washer dryer, and I put in this, it's not rolling. Is it rolling? It might be. It's been so long since I've seen it. It is a rolling piece, but the way I'm using it, it's just stuck with lots of things. There's plastic bags, my laundry, detergent, and trash bags, bags that I use for shopping, the bleach that just sits on the floor crazily, a really adorable stool, and you know, my nice little laundry basket. This is a new rug that I got because this one, you know, I'm going to wash it, but it's kind of tired. And it has a pantry that I hate. I hate the pantry because I replaced the hinges and I've put them on inside out. I think they should be on the inside because when I open the door, it only opens to here. So I have to scooch behind it to find anything. And it's not a mess in there. It's just a lot of stuff. But I hate the way this works. I can probably use one of the antique pieces that I have over in the shop. And this kind of walks into my kitchen. And yeah, I need to rearrange it. I need to take down the things and just make everything, hi buddy, make everything look good again. This thing right here is a little table that I got long ago. My mail gets sat on there. Everything that I'm about to take out or, you know, I have just brought in from the shop, it lands right here. So that's, it's convenient. It's a convenient eyesore. I have a bucket of shoes. You just need some place to put your shoes. It's time to put some of these things upstairs or just make it different. So I'm going to put together a new rolling thing. It's an Amazon piece. It's heavy. It also comes with wheels, but it has a lot of shelving space, which is really what I need. Let's put that together, and yeah, you can watch me do that. Oh, my favorite thing to do. Oh. Those things up there will change with the seasons, and they're only up there just waiting to go to the booth in the fall, because it's not really my taste, but I'm sure someone will love it. So it's just sitting there waiting. My hangers, they look a little bit neater. I put my jackets upstairs, so because I can run up and grab one when I need it. My laundry, I put the bigger washboard on the bottom. My laundry basket can live on the floor, or it can actually live here, on the edge of the washer, and it still won't be in my way, which is kind of nice. I have a load that's going to go in a minute. And so I put the paper towels up top because, it's not heavy to reach for that, and I can get it down really easily. I don't like my keys hanging where all the windows are, so that if somebody walked to my windows, they could see where my keys are hanging. I just think that's tempting. I mean, I really don't have anybody up here except for bears, but you never know when the bears might think they want to take a ride in my Jeep. So there's that. Tissues, which I can always grab easily. Those things, we all need them sometimes. A little spray for bugs. Those are my sewing kits that I use, somewhat rarely. And the bug spray, of course, and then my shellac when I want to quickly spray something outside. On this shelf it's almost empty, but it was my rubbish bags, and there's still, I think, 2 left. I always like to keep plastic bags on hand, so I save a few, and I put them in a plastic bag, something I can keep for any kind of gardening thing that I might want outside quickly, and usually that's just my shears, so I can snip a weed or so. My soaps I'm always grabbing for, and so I want it to be easy. I can just grab my laundry soap and this extra hand soap. A couple of things on the bottom are things I would only use in the winter, and I try not to use salt on my cement because it does wear it away, so I use kitty litter, and it can make a little bit of a mess, but a little bit goes a long way, and it keeps the walks free from being slippery. So yeah, I like it. I put this plastic liner. It's a non-stick liner. You can use them for the refrigerator. I didn't have enough to do the very top, but I figured that's okay because I'm only going to put paper goods up there. So, and then I put my stool out of the way right here. The only thing I have to figure out is what I'm going to do with my mail, because I had that little table, but I don't want it in my way. I really don't want to put it there because this is such a small space. When I walk in, I want to be able to just see and breathe because there's a little bit of floor space. So I have to work on that. And if you have any suggestions, you can please put them in the comments. Maybe I should have something hanging right here that I can slip my mail into until I get a chance to go through it and throw most of it out because it's mostly junk mail. But yeah, it was a challenge. I feel much better having this area neat and organized. Are you like that? I mean, I don't even know if I'm aware of the discomfort when I walk through or work in my laundry, but I think messes affect me emotionally. It's probably crazy, but it's me. At least now I feel like I can breathe when I'm in here. Leave me your thoughts too. What else would you do with storage, and what helps you stay organized? I think permanent storage would be the ultimate thing in here, but where I've been having some health issues, I think it's better that I save excess carrying, pushing, lifting, and heavy exertion for the not too distant future. For now, I'm moving, taking gentle walks, getting my life back together, and that has to be enough for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I wish you all good, beautiful things.